In this video, I'm going to share my experience with a writing service called Content Refined that I used to create some content for RVing with family. This is one of the posts they created. They created 4 in total for me. And these are written by human writers. No AI involved, all human writers and editors. All I did was help them choose the topics. In this case, how to choose and use RV kitchen accessories. And they did everything else. They found the pictures, they wrote the text, they did all the headlining, they did pictures in the content. The top one was a featured image. They add links to actual products on Amazon. They do not use their affiliate ID to do that. Some companies do that. Content Refined does not. So that's a good thing. It's more transparent, more on your side versus creating content for you than having their own affiliate ID and the affiliate links. And they also internal link among the websites. So here's a link to a different piece of content that they also created. What is a Class A motorhome is what this links to. And every one of these products in this list has a link to that product on Amazon. How long do RVs last? This was an article that Content Refined did not create. And so they're interlinking with other content on your site as well. They're not linking from older content to this new piece of content, however. That's something you have to do on your own. You could use a plugin called Link Whisper, which is an awesome plugin. I'll link to the tutorial in the card above in the description down below if you want to check out how Link Whisper works to help you with your internal linking. It is a huge time saver. It is an amazing plugin. Now I'm going to see how many words this article is. 1,400 words in total. That's a good amount. And since I have the Elementor table of contents plugin installed, everything's organized neatly based on the headlining that they did in the article. I might change the numbers. Here we have number 1, Instant Pot, number 2, Knife Set, because in the table of contents, that appears as number 1, number 1, number 2, number 2, number 3, number 3. That's not something they would have known at Content Refined, not something I'd expect them to know either. Just a little tweak that I do after I review what they did for us. And they even save the content as a draft on the website. To do that, you have to give them your login details. If you don't want to give them your login details, they'll send you a file with the text for the content and the pictures, and you just upload them and create the post on your site. And the process was super painless. I just went to contentrefined.com. You can also come here and check out everything they offer. Click on Check Out Our Packages on the homepage, and this will explain that they have month-to-month packages and bulk packages. I just went for a 1 month-to-month package just to see how it works. And of course, you want to keep creating high quality content over and over every month in perpetuity for your websites. And so you'd want to probably sign up for a month-to-month or a bulk package. But I got the 4-post one, which included keyword research and title creation, which they did. They did the keyword research, created possible topic ideas, and then I approved them. And then they wrote 4,000 words of content approximately, spread across those 4 posts. They do the writing, the editing, the SEO optimization, and they publish it to your site. To get started with that, all you have to do is click on Order Now. Just choose one of the packages, fill out your details right here, and then click on Complete Purchase. This will then take you to another form where you then submit the details of what you want created by Content Refined. And you also have a login area, or a dashboard area, I should say, where you can review your order, you can communicate with the person who's been assigned as your project manager, and you can talk about creating the content exactly how you need it. And it took about 1 week to create those 4 articles and have them posted to the website. The topics that they worked on for me are these first 4 that you see here, and all of them are great. They're all readable, they're all English, they're all SEO optimized, they all have pictures and internal links, and just pause the video. Read through what you see here. It's high quality content, and it will rank as long as you pick the keywords appropriately, which they do. They do keyword research. They find the ones that are not too hard to rank for, but also provide some traffic. If you do rank, it's only a matter of time until these articles rank somewhere and start getting some traffic. So I highly recommend Content Refined because it's so painless. It's so easy. It does cost money, obviously, because somebody's doing the work. And it might cost more than going on Fiverr and having someone write it, but I've had a lot of content written on Fiverr, and I have to end up editing it because it's not that great unless you pay a lot of money. And here, you can pay a lot of money, and they do the whole 9 yards for you. On Fiverr, you usually have to get someone else or one person to do keyword research, and then the next person writes the article, and then maybe even you hire an editor on Fiverr to edit the article so you don't have to. This is all in one place. Super simple. They've got a lot of packages, even bulk creation packages. 4 posts per month for 6 months for one-time payments instead of monthly payments. And it comes down to how much your site's making. Some websites make a whole lot of money every month, and reinvesting this amount for more content is in budget. So it really depends on where you are in your website journey. And services like Content Refined can really help you scale faster and reach higher levels with your sites. Next up, check out this video right here for Rocket Content. It's the service I mentioned throughout this video. It's going to help you scale your business faster, so make sure you check that out. If you haven't done so yet, click subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. My name is Bjorn from WP Learning Lab. Till next time, keep crushing it, and I will see you in the next video.